Hey guys, today I thought I'd show you guys a Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. I don't have a full face of makeup on, I just have the eyeshadow on because I've been sick for the past couple days and I don't feel very good. But I just really wanted to film this look before it gets too close to Valentine's Day. I'm not that good at eyeshadow, honestly. So it didn't turn out awful. I tried to do a halo eye. But yeah, if you like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I've already primed my eyes. I used the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base to prime them. And then to set that down, I just used, it was here a second ago, this Wet n Wild little eyeshadow because it's pretty much the color of my skin. And then to start out, I took this brush that I received off of Very Nice. I want it in a set. And I took the Athena palette and I took this orange shade and just buffed that into my crease. I'm still taking that color and I'm just buffing it around in the crease. And then I went into this Dare to Create palette and I took this hot pink shade and I put that right below it, just lightly. And I just buff that around. And then I took, it's like a denser brush. This one was a little fluffier. And I went back into the pink shade in the Dare to Create palette. And I just tapped off my brush. And I'm going to intensify that color a little bit on the outer and inner parts. Sorry, I keep sniffling. I am sick. And then I took this little pencil brush and I went back into the pink shade. There's a lot of this pink shade happening right now. Buff, and I didn't buff, I'm sorry. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on the outer and inner part to really make the pink pop there. And then I'm going to get some more, put it on the outer part. Then I'm just going to blend that out with the first brush I took and make sure there's no harsh lines. Just keep blending. Blend, blend, blend. Like I said, I am not that good at eyeshadow. I really want to get better at it. I got a little fallout down here. Just gonna wipe that away. And I left this middle part blank because I'm gonna put in a sparkly color there here in a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the less dense brush that I had at the beginning and I'm gonna go back into the orange shade, the peachy orange, and I'm just gonna blend this above the pink to make sure that that's not too harsh. This would look better if I had my eyebrows colored in because, you know, you can barely see them now. I just really didn't feel like doing my eyebrows or foundation or anything, but I wanted to do this eyeshadow because I've been wanting to do it for a little while now. Then I'm going to take some of the dark pink shade again on the same fluffy brush, just barely any at all. I just went in there once and blend the outer corners like I was just doing with the peach shade, just to make sure we don't lose it. See if they match. Oh, they look pretty good. Pretty similar looking. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take this pretty pinky color. It's called Champagne Truffle in the little Too Faced chocolate bar palette. It's like a little small thingy I got for my birthday. And I'm gonna spray it with MAC Fix Plus. I'm really gonna pack it on this brush. I'm gonna put it in the center where I let that bare. Just gonna intensify it until, you know, I like it and think it looks nice. And then I went into this palette again, and I put on this shade right here over top of it because, well, this color just looked a little too light, and I wanted to make it look, see how this one's just a little too light? I want to make it look a little more pop, you know? This would work better if I would have just sprayed my brush, but I'm a ditz and I didn't do that, so now I have to do it again. A little bit more. The other side's really popping, and I feel like this side just isn't there yet. It's not there. It wants to be. It wants to be at that level, but it's just not. Yeah, they're about the same now. Okay, so then I'm just going to take this and I'm going to soften up the lines ever so slightly, just around it, to make sure they're all blended nicely. Take this pencil brush again. I'm going to put on some more pink, the hot pink, and put it in the inner and outer corners just to make sure that it's really deep and rich there, so it looks like a halo eye. Blend it all together with this little orange shade. And then I'm gonna go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm gonna put on top mascara and I forgot to show you how to do the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna take this flat brush and dip into the hot pink shade that I used on my lid and press that up against the lashes really closely and just rub it under there like that. I'm gonna take a little pencil brush and go into the peach shade that I used before and put that right under there and blend it out. And then pop some mascara. I can find my mascara on the bottom lashes. So I already know I'm gonna mess this up. But this is the finished eyeshadow look. It would look way better if I had on all my makeup and my eyebrows and everything. It looks really intense right now. I actually think the pink is looking even intenser, if that's a word, in this lighting. So let me turn that down. Here's what it looks like after it's finished. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. I think it looks pretty freaking good because honestly that was my first attempt at doing a halo eye. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll be feeling better in it so I don't look so crappy and sound dead. But have a great day, guys.